Hey Paul, here's one more. This is a claims to be a '99 Infiniti SUV, and again, it's got the retractable radio knobs, at least on these tone controls, and again, it's a function of the shaft. It's actually telescopes. And what I'm thinking is perhaps yours got smacked on the end and it's jammed in. And I wonder if you took a tool of some kind, and of course these aren't jammed, but I wonder if you just kind of tapped on yours, maybe it would regain its functionality. Because obviously the spring is built inside the control, so again, I'm thinking it's maybe a little gentle tapping, it'll jump back out and become evident as to how to mount the knob back in its original functional state. Anyway, let me know. Take care. Bye now.